ears cleaned. You don't have to stay in your crate. Come on out. Let's get your ears cleaned. Okay, fun. Just have to wait, I guess. Come on. Yes, now give me a sit. Come here. Here. Daddy, here. That's my boy. Good boy. Okay, let's clean your ears. What? Don't you want to get your ears cleaned? Come on, let's clean your ear. Come on. Okay, fine. I'll put it back here. Come on. Give me a sit. Good boy. Alright, now wait. Okay, let's get your ears cleaned. Alright. I'll try this one more time. Come on out, Tilly. Tabby, come here. He's not coming out at all anymore. Tabby, come on. That's my boy. Good sit. Yes, good sit. Okay, let's get your ears cleaned. What? Nice clean ears. Come on. Put it over here. Come on out. Come on. What if I used a real treat? Yeah, I know you like these guys, don't you? Here. Come on. Give me a sit. Yes, good sit. Yeah, sit, stay. Good sit, stay. Okay, let's clean your ear.
I see what happens when we close the crate door.
Well, then he stays in the crate.
I meant when he's out of the crate.
Oh, okay. We'll get him out and then we'll close the door. Okay, Tabby, here. Yes, good boy. Good. Where's my sit? Hey, where's my sit? Yes, good sit. Good sit. All right. Yes, we're going to clean your ears. Are you ready? Oh, good boy. What a good boy. What? Yeah, I know. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, is it? Oh, good boy. I forgot one of the cloths. There we go. Yeah, oh, good boy. And then we'll dry it out. Yeah. You're more than welcome to keep filming. You can be done now if you want. The funny part's pretty much over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got his ear? Good. Sit, stay, buddy. Okay, that's enough.